Hey everybody, welcome back to Brian's Badass Reviews. Thanks so much for stopping back in on the channel. Today I want to talk to you about a beard oil set that I got from the company called Fable Beard Co. These guys got a ton of great things going on. Let's get into it. Kick the intro! Do me a favor, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification. You'll know when I got new videos coming out. And I usually got new videos coming out every single week. So I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Really helps out a small channel like this one. If you like the content in the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Guys, today I have got a good one for you. I am talking about Fable Beard Co. I had seen these guys up on the interwebs as I was kind of going through the Black Friday deals and stuff that was going on last month. A bunch of these different companies were running some deals, and Fable Beard Co. was running basically a buy one get one. So I thought, what a perfect time to kind of jump in and test out a new oil that I've never tried from a new company, right? And so I went on and I was super surprised by their website, guys. These guys, you can really tell they put a lot of creative thought into the process of each one of their beard oils, their beard scents. And by that, what I mean is pretty much every one of their beard oils has its own character, and every one of the characters has its own little story behind it. They're very much into like kind of the wizards and the old, I don't know, the old English fables and fairy tales and stuff like that. You've got the hero and you've got the scribe, you've got the pirate, who I think is the Bayram, the archer, the engineer, the barkeep. All these different characters, and it's pretty cool, guys. You gotta go check out their website, fablebeardco.com. Go on there, look at the different characters, look at the stories behind each one of the characters. It's very, very cool. It's very unique. I thought it was very creative, and it really added kind of a different aspect of when you go to a website and you go to a company, you go to buy beard oils. I mean, a lot of these beard companies, it's all the same, like, testosterone filled, oh, grow your beard, the chicks are gonna dig it. Nah, these guys kind of came up with a unique take, creating their own stories, their own characters, their own kind of fairy tale, attaching it to growing a beard and really making it a fun thing to kind of go and do. And I thought it was very cool. I checked it out on the Black Friday deal. Got their buy one, get one free, and I got 2 of their scents. You guys know I like the cologne scents, so I got their cologne scented one, which was called the Hero. And as you guys know, if you've been kind of following my videos in a chronological order, I've been kind of getting into more of these barbershop kind of scents. And they actually have one on here called the Barber. So I went ahead and I ordered that one up, and that one looks like this. So they delivered the package. I ran out to the old mailbox, came in, and I tore it open. And guys, I was super, super impressed. Like, I was kind of blown away by the content. So I pulled open the bag, and of course the 2 beard oils were in there. And then besides that, guys, they sent me this letter, and on the letter, as you can see on the front there, it says Sir Davis. As you know, I maybe do or not know, my last name is Davis. Don't be going and Googling me all up, you creepers. So very cool, Sir Davis on the front of the envelope. And then on the back, this just blew me away. But look at that. It's a freaking wax sealed envelope, just like back in the old days. Just like straight out of Robin Hood or some freaking gladiator movie. I don't know, super awesome. And then inside, right now, these guys have 4 new Christmas scents that are coming out, and this one happens to be called the Gingerbread Man. I think they have claws, and I mean, there's a couple more. You have to go to the website and check it out. But these guys freaking sent me a Christmas card. It says, "Dear Adventurer, we truly thank you for your continued support of Fable Beard Co. The holidays are a wondrous and epic adventure. We hope your holidays are filled with blessings and joy beyond measure. Until the next adventure, the Wizard." So pretty cool card. Look at the scribe on the back of it. Another just kind of very cool touch. And then I didn't even know it, and I guess now that I can see it kind of on their website, they say that this comes during the holiday season. Freaking beard ornaments, guys. So you know what I'm doing on Christmas? I'm gonna walk into my family's house and I'm gonna have these suckers attached to my beard. So little ornaments, and I was just blown away. That was free, came in the package. I didn't know it was coming. I didn't know it was gonna have I don't know. Super cool. I was blown away. The creativity is next level with these guys, right? So let's talk about the actual beard oil itself. So 1 ounce bottle of beard oil. If you get it normally on the site, it's about $18, which is maybe just a couple dollars more than kind of the standard market price for a 1 ounce bottle of beard oil. When I first opened these up, the cologne scented one, the Hero, put it in the old sniffer here, right? And I'm not going to put this one in. I'm going to put the barbershop one in. I haven't actually used this one yet. I have used this one a couple times so far. I just got it the other day, so I don't have a ton of time in it. But I just wanted to go over kind of the scent profiles of each one of these. So And this one is very sweet, and I would almost say it's almost like, speaking of gingerbread, man, it does, I smell some sort of ginger in there. The ingredients in this are going to be coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, and fragrance oils. This one actually is very vanilla-y. It comes off with a very vanilla type of scent. Almost kind of like a gingerbread cookie, one of those, almost comes off as kind of one of those molasses type cookies. Very sweet scented. I don't really get too much of a cologne type of scent for it, but it does smell very good. It's very sweet, and you can tell that it's very strong, but I can tell it's gonna be very good. This is really, just looking at the website, it says it's supposed to be a cologne. It's a rich tobacco, a mystical amber, and with slightly whiskey notes. And I guess when you do put those together, it does kind of make sense. To me, it's more of a vanilla, kind of a molasses cookie sweetness to it. So let's move on to the Barber. It's such a nice fresh scent to it. When I first opened this up and I let my wife smell it, she kind of got a zest, like a bar of zest soap. It's that very clean, very crisp, clean, just got out of the shower. I say that a lot with these, but there's a cleanliness to it, but it's very good. It's a very clean and refreshing scent. It's described on the website as being a blend of the Barbershop Fireball whiskey, which is kind of different. It's very unique. Warm cedarwood and refreshing citrus. So very good, very unique blend of scents to come up with something that I've never smelt with any of the other beard oils I've tried before. It's very unique. It's very good. Comes with a little dropper cap on it. So as you can see, I would say it's maybe a medium to light consistency. And that's probably way more than I actually need. I've been trying to kind of tame it down with the beard oil in the beard. I tend to have this problem of like just putting too much in, and then I can tell that I've put too much in when about 15-20 minutes later I can run my hand through and my hands still look like this with the glisten, right? It shouldn't be doing that. It means I'm putting too much. You really only need 2, 3, 4 drops of oil for a beard of my size anyways. But man, this one smells so good. So I like to get it in the beard. And really get it in the beard. I had made a mistake. If you watch my last video, I had made a mistake and you could see that I kind of trimmed too short here. So I'm kind of trying to grow this back out to fill this area in and help out with my little patchy area here. You know, as you guys know, the beard oil is for the skin. So I like to get it under the hairs, into the skin, and then also on the skin, also on the hairs as well. You know what I haven't done for a long time is made the face when I do the yeah, that's gonna bring the subscribers in for sure. So get it in there. Get my trusty old Kent comb. If you guys don't have yourselves a Kent comb, I'll link one in the description below. Get yourself a Kent comb. Flows right through the hairs, gets your hairs nice and separated so you can groom it nicely so you don't have any kind of matting up or anything like that going on. I'm getting to the point where the Kent comb is actually becoming useful. It's getting a little bit of a length to it, so I'm happy about that. Feel and beard, guys. Honestly, Feel and beard for me, it's hard to distinguish between other beard oils. I mean, for me, Feel and beard, the only thing that I don't like is when I put a beard oil in and at the end of the day, it starts to feel waxy. These do not feel waxy to me. It actually brings a softness to the beard. This is very nice smelling. And what I've noticed as I've used this one is that it will last a long time. This is probably a more of a, I would say a 6 to 7 hour scent. Super good quality. I like to kind of get it on there, get it on the old tattoos. Keeps them good. I'm super impressed with these guys. I highly recommend them. $18. These guys have a bunch of different stuff on their website. But as far as their beard products go, guys, they got everything. I mean, they got the beard balms, they got the beard butters, they've got the beard conditioners, they've got beard wash, mustache wax, they have craft beard oil. You can even go onto this flipping website and you can create your own character. Now, it costs a little bit of pretty penny to do it, but I've never seen any of the other companies do that. Super awesome. Go on there, create your own blend, create your own character. It's just awesome. It's super creative. These guys are filled with creativity. I think it's just one of those very unique things in a market where there's a ton of saturation and everybody's kind of doing the same thing, where these guys are making it fun, making it their own, and taking a different approach to providing a very high quality product to a customer base. I almost think it's genius. Great job, guys. This is really good stuff. Would I buy these guys again? Yes, absolutely. I am going to go on their site. I'm going to check out more of their stuff. I just think it's a fun experience. I literally had fun. Like from the minute I entered their site, was looking at their different characters, their different beard oils, their beard scents, and then the anticipation of waiting for it to come in the mail. And then when it finally did come in the mail, just the cool stuff that came with it, with the beard ornaments. I didn't even know they were coming. Super nice touch. And then even though it does say it on their website that they're giving them out for free, and then just this card, and it says Sir Davis on it with a freaking wax thing. Just knocked it out of the park. Super impressed. Awesome stuff. Very impressed. You guys need to go on to it. Fable Beard Co. I'm not affiliated in any kind of way. No kickback, no nothing. I'm sure there's discount codes you can go check out on different YouTuber sites and stuff like that. But you have to go check these guys out. They're super awesome. So I hope you guys liked the video today. If you want, you can check out all of my beard series videos. Make sure and tell all your bearded brothers and all your bearded friends about the channel. I'm doing different reviews every week. I appreciate you stopping in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's all I got for the review for you guys today. You know what I say? You got to be kind to each other. You got to do what makes you happy. That's it for me. I'm out. Peace.